Hello everyone. Welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary series presenting by Diction Addiction. We will learn around 6 to 9 words from today's Hindu editorial. They are very important to understand the editorial completely. So today Hindu editorial title is Overzealous Threat on Bihar Police Circular on Social Media Post. So Bihar government have issued a circular intended to control the social media posts against the government officials, ministers and MLAs. That looks very funny because criticism doesn't comes under the crime. It's not a crime. So, but anyway, we will look into the words and then followed by we will go through the article. Betrays, Betrays. Betrays means revealing or showing something. That is what it. In general, it is a deceiving the information, giving information to some enemies. That is what is a betrayed. But betrays means sometimes it's also called as showing unintentionally. You can see the warning by Bihar police of legal action being taken against users of social media for offensive posts targeting the government, its ministers, officials, betrays both hypersensitivity and ignorance of the law. So release of circular indicates that they are hypersensitive as well as the ignorance of the law. Cow. Most of us know what is cow. That's a noun. But here we are talking about the cow is a verb. Means pretend, intimidate, scare is called as cow. It represents an unacceptable combination of low tolerance for criticism and a zeal to cow down the public. Circular intention tells that they don't have a tolerance for criticism. They are not ready to accept the tolerances. They are not ready to accept the criticism on their government as well as their function. As well as they have a zeal to cow down the public. So they want to frighten the public by using this circular. Cow, noun as well as verb is very threatening the public in states of in some states. You may understand that. Prurient, Prurient. Prurient means someone who is very much interested in the sexual life of someone or sexual details of sexual behavior of someone is called as a prurient. You see, example, the act remaining penal provisions pertain only to other offences, sending obscene or prurient messages, hacking, stealing computer resources, identity theft, personation, and violation of privacy. This is what comes under the cybercrime. But not the prurient means showing a lot of interest on sexual behavior of others is called as prurient. So cybercrime deals with the sending obscene, prurient messages, hacking, stealing computer resources, identity theft, personation, and violation of privacy, but not criticism of the government. Offensive means, dose, high dose. Intemperate means having no control over showing of violence or anger. Intemperate, INTMPERATE, intemperate. There is nothing specific in the law that would render strong, even offensive and intemperate criticism of the government cyber offense. Contemplated, thinking about something very deeply, a long time, carefully. That is what is called as contemplated. Thinking carefully about something, that's what is contemplated. I'm contemplating the logic behind the circular. The economic offences wing, which also deals with the cybercrime, has sent a circular to the department secretaries that could inform the wing about such offensive posts so that it could act against them, terming such actions against prescribed law. Presumably, the action contemplated is for alleged cybercrime. Economic offense wing of Bihar government looks after the cybercrime also. So this circular contemplated is for alleged cybercrime. Behove, B-E-H-O-V-E, behove means right or duty or someone's responsibility. That's what is behove. There is much on social media that can be seen as crimes, such as hate speech, inflammatory and insulting remarks or defamation. But it ill behoves an elected government to take note of this, unless the offenders are influential enough to cause major social division and foment violence. So it's a responsibility of someone is called as behove. Foment, F-O-M-E-N-T, foment, provoke or incite, instigate in a bad way. Violence, anger, fights, robberies. That something is you are instigating to do by someone. That's what is foment. Monger means person who spreads the false or rumors or things which have no base. That person is called as monger. The government would do well not to act on the police circular, lest it's been seen as attempt to suppress its critics, and those who make allegations of state government has clarified that proposed action would only be against rumor mongering and insulting language. Monger means person who spreads the lies or rumors or news with no base. So these are the 9 words we have learned from this today's editorial. Now if you can go through this editorial, I'm sure that you will understand the article more interestingly and interestingly. And this is what is the article. If at all you like the explanation part as well as the presentation, just give thumbs up. And if you want regular updates, then just subscribe. Thank you all for your support as well as patiently watching these videos. Right. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with one more video.